Good morning students, this is our fourth video about volumes and surface of revolution. Okay, already we know how to find the volumes of revolution, volumes of the solid generated by a curve revolving about an axis. Okay, in this video also we solved some more problems. Before going to that, I will explain about again what is revolution. What is revolution? Revolution means one complete turn or rotation of 360 degrees. Okay, complete turn or rotation of 360 degrees. If a curve rotates complete 360 degrees about an axis, what we say that revolution. The earth revolves around the sun means for taking complete turn, how much time it will take? 365 days. The earth took 365 days to revolves around the sun. That means it will rotate around the sun in 360 degrees angle. That called complete turn. This is revolution. See here this pink line denotes y equals to x cube curve. This pink curve rotates about y axis. That means like this. Okay, which shape we get? Cone shaped 3-dimensional solid shape. This is the solid generated by a curve by revolving about the x-axis. Here we find this volume of these solid shapes. Okay, for finding the volume of these solid shapes, we have two types of problems. If the curve rotates about x-axis, which formula we used? V equals to integral a to b pi y square dx. And second one is if the curve rotates about y-axis. First one is x-axis, second one is y-axis. Which formula we used? Same. V equals to integral a to b pi x square dy. Okay, if rotates about x-axis, we use pi y square dx. Here we write pi x square dy. If the curve rotates around about the x-axis, what are the limits here? A to b. That means the starting point of x1 and ending point of x2, we take the limit points on x-axis. That means we find the x values, limit points of x. In second formula, we find the limit values are y-axis. Okay, and that means we get y1 value, starting point y1 and ending point y2. These are the limit points. Okay, see here, this pink curve denotes a curve. Pink line denotes a curve. Which curve? That one, f of x equals root x. This curve revolves around x-axis like this. This blue color solid shape denotes a solid shape generated by the curve revolves around the x-axis. Similarly, this green color shape is also obtained by revolving the curve around the y-axis. Okay, see here, these are the two formulas, very simple formulas. But doing this before going to do these problems, we should learn the formulas of integration. Without knowing formulas of integration, we now can't do any single problem. Okay, we should learn the formulas of integration. In these formulas, we use only basic integration formulas. Okay, so see here, what is the first problem? Find the volume of the spindle shaped generated by revolving the hypocycloid about x-axis. Here, what is the curve we have here? Hypocycloid. What is the equation? That one, x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equals to a power 2 by 3. This is our curve. This curve rotates about x-axis. Then we get which shape? Spindle shaped solid. Okay, the curve hypocycloid revolves about x-axis, we get the spindle shaped solid shape. Here we have to find that volume of the spindle shaped solid. Okay, see here. Okay, see, what is the given equation? Hypocycloid. What is the equation? X power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equals to a power 2 by 3 is our given equation. This is equation number 1. See, okay, this is equation number 1. And given what? Given the curve revolves about the x-axis. if the curve revolves about the x-axis, which formula we use to find that volume of spindle-shaped solid? V equals to integral a to b pi y square dx. Let this is equation number 2. See, in this formula, what are the values we have? We have to find which values? Limit values a comma b, and pi is constant, so no need to find anything. And the value of y square, we have to find the limit values a comma b and y square value. For finding limit values, see here, the curve revolves about x-axis, means on x-axis what is the value of y? 0. So I substitute y equals to 0 in given equation, then we get the values of x, that means limit points. Okay, see here, given equation is 1 and the given solid revolves about x-axis, so on x-axis value of y equals to 0. Okay, revolves about x-axis means on x-axis what is the value of y? 0. So I write y equals to 0. And formula of volume is y equals to integral a to b pi y square dx. Let this equation number 2. Next one. Now I substitute y equals to 0 and in 1 means given equation. So substitute y equals to 0, what we get? X power 2 by 3, same. Put y equals to 0, what we get? 0. And equals to same, remaining a equals to a power 2 by 3. Here I write 0. So 0 power 2 by 3 equals to 0. What is the remaining term? X power 2 by 3 plus 0 equals to a power 2 by 3. That implies what we have here? X power 2 by 3 equals to a power 2 by 3. Now I raising power cubed 3 times on both sides. That implies x power 2 by 3 whole cube equals to a power 2 by 3 whole cube. Then what happened? The 3 are cancelled. That's the remaining term, x square equals to x square. That implies x equals to plus or minus a. Therefore, the values of limits are minus a and plus a. See here. After substituting y equals to 0, what we get? X power 2 by 3 equals to y power 2 by 3. Then cubing on both sides, 3 cancelled. What is the remaining term? X square equals to a square. That implies x equals to plus or minus a. Therefore, the limit points are plus a and minus a. This is a, this is b. Okay, next. We find the limit values. Then what we find? From formula, we have the values of a and b and y square value. So, already we find a comma b values. Now, I am going to find the value of y square. From given equation, I find the value. Okay, what is y power 2 by 3? A power 2 by 3. Now take x power 2 by 3 into LHS. RHS, what we get? X minus x power 2 by 3. From equation number 1, what is the value of y power 2 by 3? A power 2 by 3 minus x power 2 by 3. See here, I read here. Y power 2 by 3 equals to a power 2 by 3 minus x power 2 by 3. But we want y square value. Again, cubing on both sides. Here I cubing on both sides. What happened? 3 cancelled. The remaining term is y square in LHS. And RHS, what we have here? A power 2 by 3 minus x power 2 by 3 whole cube. Is it clear? Given equation is x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equals to a power 2 by 3. From this I write the value of y power 2 by 3. What is that? A power 2 by 3. By taking into RHS, what we get? Minus x power 2 by 3. Now I am taking cubing on both sides. 3 cancelled here. What is the remaining term? Y square equals to a power 2 by 3 minus x power 2 by 3 whole cube. Okay, we get y square value. But here we have in the form of a minus b whole cube. Okay. In RHS, the term has in the form of a minus b whole cube. We know the a minus b whole cube formula. What is that? A cube minus b cube plus 3ab square minus 3ab square. This is the formula of a minus b whole cube. Now I write this formula here. What is a here? A power 2 by 3 is the a. X power 2 by 3 is the b. This is a. this is b. What we write first? A power a cube. See, first we write a cube. A cube means a power 2 by 3 whole cube. This is a cube. Next b cube minus b cube, minus, I write minus, and b cube means x power 2 by 3 whole cube, plus 3ab square, 3, this is a, this is b square, and 3a square b minus 3 a power 2 by 3 whole square x power 2 by 3. Here 3 cancel, here also cancel. Then what is the remaining term? This is a square, this is minus x square, 3 a power 2 by 3 x power 2 by 3 whole square minus x power 4 by 3 minus 3 a power 2 by 3 whole square means a power 4 by 3 into x power 2 by 3. Next. Okay, this is the value of y square. What is the y square value? A square minus x square plus 3a power 2 by 3 x power 4 by 3 minus 3a power 4 by 3 x power 2 by 3. Now we get the y square value and limit value. So I write the formula of value. See here. What is the formula we have? Pi v equals to integral a to b pi y square dx. What are the limits here? Minus a comma plus a are limits. Pi is same. What is the y square value? A square minus x square plus 3a power 2 by 3 x power 4 by 3 minus 3a power 4 by 3 x power 2 by 3 dx. Is it clear? See here. V equals to integral. What are the limits? Minus a comma plus a are the limits. So I write integral minus a and plus a. Pi is same. What is the y square value? A square minus x square 3a power 2 by 3 x power 4 by 3 minus 3a power 4 by 3 x power 2 by 3 dx. Now I substitute all the values. Then what we do here? Integration. Before going to integration, I write constants outside, then I integrate. Okay, see here. First I write limits minus a to plus a as 0 to a. Minus a to plus a means what is the middle term? 0. From we have to find the volume from minus a to plus a. Instead of finding minus a to plus a, I write I will find only from 0 to a means half. First I find only half volume. Then I double it. Double it means, so I put 2 in front. Okay, is it clear? By taking limits from minus a to plus a, I take only from 0 to a means half. So I double that double that volume. We get the full volume. So I write 2 and pi is also a constant. So I write outside and limits changed as 0 comma a. Same, remaining terms are same, no change. Next, 2 pi is the constant. See here, 2 pi is the constant. Next, now integrate. A square is constant. What is the integration of constant? Integration of differentiation of constant is 0, but integration of constant is with respect to x, we get x. So I write a square into x minus integration of x square. What is it? X cube by 3. Next, 3 constant. So I write same. A power 2 by 3 is also constant. This is also same. Integration of x power 4 by 3 means x power 4 by 3 plus 1 by 4 by 3 plus 1. What is the integration of x power n formula? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So we have to add the 1. Okay. X power 4 by 3 integration is x power 4 by 3 plus 1 by 4 by 3 plus 1. What we have in power, we write in denominator. Okay. Same, both are same. Next, what we have? Minus 3a power 4 by 3 is the constant. Again, x power 2 by 3 integration is x power 2 by 3 plus 1 by same. What we have in power, we write same term in denominator 2 by 3 plus 1. And the limit values are 0 comma a. So I write in bracket. Okay. See. Again check, 2 pi is the constant, a square is constant, constant integration is a square into x, x square constant difference integration is x cube by 3. These two are constant, so I write same, x power 4 by 3 integration is x power 4 by 3 plus 1 by 4 by 3 plus 1. Minus 3a is same. Next x power 2 by 3 integration is x power 2 by 3 plus 1 and by 2 by 3 plus 1, and I write limit values 0 comma a. First I substitute a in x place, after that I substitute 0. Okay, see here. What is the x power 4 by 3 plus 1? 4 by 3 plus 1 value is 3 is LCM. 4 plus 3 1 ja 3, 7 by 3. So I write, see here, x power 7 by 3 by 7 by 3. Similarly, what is the value of x power 2 by 3 plus 1? LCM is 3, 2 plus 3 means 5 by 3. So I write x power 5 by 3 by 5 by 3. Is it clear? See here, first I simplified the equation. That means 2 pi a square x, x cube by 3, 3a power 2 by 3 into x power 7 by 3 by 7 by 3 minus 3a power 4 by 3 into x power 5 by 3 by 5 by 3. See here. Same 2 pi a square x, x cube by 3. With denominator what we have here? 7 by 3. Then what we write in numerator? 3 by 7. So I write 3 a power 2 by 3 into 3 by 7 into x power 7 by 3 minus 3 a power 4 by 3. Here also denominator we have 5 by 3. So I write 3 by 5. Same x power 5 by 3. Same limits 0 to a. Now I substitute a value in x place. So a square into x means a minus x cube by 3, that implies a cube by 3. 3 a power 2 by 3, 3 power 7, same. Here we have x power 7 by 3. Then we substitute x equals to a, we get a power 7 by 3. Minus 3 a power 4 by 3, 3 by 5. X power 5 by 3 means a power 5 by 3. Okay, is it clear? Now I substitute 0 in x place. So a square into 0, 0. X cube by 3, that means 0 by 3. Total term into x means 0. Here also we multiply with x, that means 0. So we get total term is 0. So I write minus 0. First I integrate, then simplify, and now I substitute a in x place, limit values in x place, that means a and 0. And this is the a. After substituting a, we get this equation. Substituting 0, we get 0. Okay. Tell me what is this? Tell me what we get here. Same 2 pi a square into a cube minus a cube by 3 plus 3 into 3 by 7, 9 by 7. A power 2 by 3, a power 7 by 3 means a power 2 by 3 plus 7 by 3. Okay. Minus 3 into 3 by 5 means 9 by 5. A power 4 by 3 into a power 5 by 3 means a power 4 by 3 plus 5 by 3. Okay, is it clear? Now I simplify this line. Okay. A square into a cube minus the same a cube by 3 plus 3 into 3 by 7, 9 by 7. This is a power 2 by 3, this is a power 7 by 3. Bases are same, so we add the powers. What are that? 2 by 3 plus 7 by 3 minus same 3 into 3 by 5 means 9 by 5. Here also we have a power 4 by 3, a power 5 by 3. That means a power 9 by 3. See here. A cube. A cube by 3, 9 by 7. A power 2 by 3, a power 7 by 3. Same 9 by 5, a power 4 by 3, a power 5 by 3. Next, same a cube, minus a cube by 3, 9 by 7. Here I add the powers. Same 9 by 5. Here also I write adding powers. 2 by 3 plus 7 by 3. 2 by 3 plus 7 by 3 means 9 by 3. Okay, now LCM. What is LCM here? 3. So we add 2 plus 7, 9. 9 by 3 means 3 3 is 9. So we get a cube here. Similarly, what we get here? 4 by 3 plus 5 by 3. Here also we get same 9 by 3. 9 by 3 means 3. So I write a cube. A cube minus a cube by 3. 9 by 7 a cube. 9 by 5 a cube. So now I take LCM. What is the LCM? 3 7 ja 21. 21 5 ja 105 is the LCM. What is the first term here? A cube by 1 only. So I write 105 a cube minus already we have 3 in denominator. So 35 a cube plus we have denominator is 7. So we write 15 9 ja 135 a cube minus we have 5 here. So 21 9 ja 189 a cube. After simplifying all these terms, we get what we get here? 16 a cube by 105. 16 2 ja 32 pi a cube by 105. This is the volume of the given hypocycloid solid, volume of the solid generated by the hypocycloid revolving about x-axis. Okay, see here. We simplify again here. Okay, what is the LCM here? If you feel difficult, first we add 2, next we add 2, these two. Okay, see, first I am going to add these two terms. What is the LCM here? 3 into a 3a cube minus a cube. That means what we get here? 2a cube by 3. This is the first part. Next, what is the second part? 9 by 7 minus 9 by 5. Okay, what is the LCM? 35. 5 9 ja 45 a cube minus 7 9 ja 63 a cube. 45 minus 63 means minus 18 by 35 a cube. This is the second part. Now we take LCM from these two parts. Okay, see here. What is the LCM? Here we have 2a cube by 3. Here we have minus 18 by 35 a cube. So 105 is the LCM. 35 2 ja 70 a cube minus 318 ja. What? 318 ja 54 a cube. 70 minus 54 is 16 a cube. So what we get here? 16 a cube by 105. And 2 pi is it outside. After multiplying we get 32 pi a cube by 105. This is the volume of the given curve revolves about the x-axis. See, next one. Find the volume of the solid generated obtained by revolving the loop of the curve a square y square equals to x square into 2a minus x into x minus a about x-axis. Okay, here also the curve revolves about the x-axis. So we use same formula. What is that formula? V equals to integral a to b pi y square dx. And we have to find the limit values of x. On x-axis, what is the value of y? 0. So we substitute y equals to 0 in given equation. We get the values of x. Then we integrate. Simple, very simple problems we have. First I write the given equation. What is the given equation? A square y square equals to y square, x square into 2a minus x into x minus a. Let this equation number 1. Then what is the values we have to find? A comma b, limit values and y square value. From 1 I write value of y square only. So I let it, this one equation number 2. What is y square? By sending a square into RHS, what we get? X square minus 2ax minus x minus a by a square. Okay, this is x minus a, sorry. Okay, x minus a by a square. This is given equation. This is value of y square. What we find here now? Limit values. On x-axis, we know the value of y. What is the value of y? Y equals to 0. So I substitute y equals to 0 in 1. What is 1? This is 1. Here I put y equals to 0. Then it became LHS is 0. Then what is the remaining term? X square into 2a minus x into x minus a. Okay, see here. LH is 0 and remaining term is 0. That implies x square into 2a minus x into x minus a equals to 0. And then what we write next? That implies x square equals to 0. 2a minus x equals to 0. Already in fractional form. So we write this like this. Okay, x minus a equals to 0. Is it clear? If we have x minus 2 into x minus 3 equals to 0, what we write? X minus 2 equals to 0 and x minus 3 equals to 0. Similarly, what we have here? X square into 2a minus x into x minus a equals to what we have? 0. So I write x square equals to 0, 2a minus x equals to 0, x minus a equals to 0. Okay, is it clear? The curve revolves about x-axis. On x-axis y equals to 0. So I substitute y equals to 0 in given equation. So in LHS we have 0 and RH is same. That implies this one RHS equals to 0. So I write x square 0, 2a minus x equals to 0, x minus a equals to 0. X square equals 0 means what is the x value? 0. From this what is the x value? 2a and a. 0, a, 2a. These are the values of x. We get 3 values. What is the starting value here? 0 is the starting and ending point is 2a. So I take limits are 0, 2a. Therefore, limits are a is 0 and b equals to 2a. Is it clear? First I write the equation of given curve. From that curve, I write y square value. Simply we get to. So I write y square value and let this equation number 1. Next, I am going to find the limit values. How can we find the limit values? On x-axis y equals to 0, we know already. So I substitute y equals to 0 in equation. And then what is the values we get here? X equals to 0, x equals to 2a and x equals to a. Here we get 3 values, 0, a, 2a. I write in order. We take only first and last values. That means 0, 2a. Therefore, limits are one is 0 and second one is 2a. Next one. We know the y square value and limit value. So, I write the formula of. Already, we find the limit values and y square value. Okay. So, now I substitute that values. V equals to what are the limits here? We get 0, 2a. So, I write integral 0 to 2a. Pi, what is y square? X square into 2a minus x into x minus a by a square dx. Okay. Now I write the constants outside. What are the constants we have here? Pi is the constant and by a square is the constant. So I write pi by a square outside. And what is the remaining? Integral 0 to 2a x square into 2a minus x into x minus a. Now I multiplied all these 3 terms. So first I multiplied 2a into x minus a. See, same, pi y square same, integral 0 to 2a, x square same, 2a into x minus, that is 2ax, 2a into minus a, minus 2a square, minus x into x minus x square, minus x into minus a plus ax. Okay, now I multiply with x square into 2ax cube, x square into minus 2a square x square, x square into minus x square minus x power 4, last term x square into ax cube, okay, dx. Okay, is it clear? First I might substitute limit values and y square values. Then I write the constant. What is that? Pi by a square outside. And multiply these 2 terms first. 2a into x, 2ax. 2a into a minus 2a square, minus x into plus x minus x square, minus x into minus a plus ax. Next multiply with x square into 2ax cube, x square into minus 2a square x square, x square into minus x square minus x power 4, x square into ax cube. Now I integrate these terms, okay? And tell me, what is the integration of 2a x cube? Here 2a is the constant, x cube integration is x power 4 by 4. Next, minus 2a square x square. Here also 2a square is the constant. X square integration is x cube by 3. X power 4 integration is x power 5 by 5. And last term ax cube integration is a is constant. X cube integration is x power 4 by 4. Okay. See here. Same. I write same sentence here. Same equation. Now I integrate. See. Tell me. 3a is the constant. X cube integration is x power 4 by 4. Next 2a square is the constant. X square integration is x cube by 3. And x power 4 integration is x power 5 by 5. And limits are 0, 2a. First I substitute 2a in x place. So 3a is same. X power 4 means 2a whole power 4 by 4 minus 2a square same. X cube means 2a cube by 3. And x power 5 by 5 means 2a power 5 by 5. And now I substitute 0 in x place. So this is also 0, this is 0, this is 0. So I write 0. Okay. See. Here we have 3a. Here 2a power 4 means 2 power 4 a power 4. 2 power 4 means 16. So I write 16 a power 4 by 4. This is 3a. Okay. 3a same. 2a power 4 means 16a power 4 by 4. Same 2a square. 2a whole cube. 2 cube means 8. A cube and by 3. 2 power 5 means 32 and a power 5 and by 5. After simplify, what we get here? See, like this. Okay. 3, 4, 4 ja 16. So 3, 4 ja 12. A into a power 4, a power 5. Minus 2, 8 ja 16 by 3, a power 5. Minus 32 by 5, a power 5. On all terms we have a power 5. So I take a power 5 common. And before we have the constant pi by a square, and the remaining numbers are 12 minus 16 by 3 minus 32 by 5. A square a power 5 cancel, we get pi a cube. And taking LCM, what is the LCM here? 3, 5. LCM of 3, 5 is 15. 15, 12 ja 180. Here we have 3. So 5, 16 ja 80. Here we have 5. So 32, 3 ja 96. Therefore, what is the total volume here? 4 pi a cube by 15 is the volume of the given curve. Okay. See, this is the loop. From this we write the y square value. And we have to find the limit values a comma b. For this, the curve revolves about x-axis. So I substitute y equals to 0. So we get the, what are the limit we get here? 0, 2a. Now I have all the values. So I write formula of volume of solid integral a to b pi y square. Then I substitute all values and write constant outside and multiply these 3 terms. We get this equation. After getting equation, we integrate and I substitute limit value is 2a, 0. Then we get the volume is v equals to 4 pi a cube by 15. Okay. Is it clear? First we should learn the formulas of integral. Okay. Integral, after practicing integral formulas, we can easily solve these problems. Without knowing integral formulas, we can't do even single step also. Thank you. See, what is the formula? What is the problem here? The loop of the curve 2a y square equals to x into x minus a whole square. This is the curve. This curve revolves about x-axis. Then find the volume of solid so generated. Here the solid generated by revolving the curve. Which curve we have here? 2a y square equals to x into x minus a whole square is the curve. This curve revolves about the x-axis. So we get a solid shape. We have to find that volume of that solid shape. Okay. Revolves about the x-axis means which formula we have to use here? V equals to integral a to b pi. On x-axis we write y square dx. Okay. On x-axis what we write here? Y square dx. So what are the values we have to find here? The limit values a comma b and y square value. Now see, first I write given what is the equation? 2ay square equals to x into x minus a whole square. From this equation, we know the value of y square. What is the value of y square? I sending 2a into RHS, so we get y square value. Y square equals to x into x minus a whole square by 2a. This is let equation number 2. So already we know the value of y square. Then what we have to find now? Limit values a comma b. On x-axis, what is the value of y? On x-axis, we know the value of y is 0. So on x-axis, y equals to 0. So I substitute to y equals to 0 in 1. So what we get? 2a into y square means 2a into 0. 0 equals to x into x minus a whole square. See here. 0 equals to x into x minus a whole square. That implies what we get? X into x minus a whole square equals to 0. From this x equals to 0 comma x minus a equals to 0. That implies x equals to 0 and x equals to a. So what are the values we get? 0 comma a. These are the limit values of x. Okay. X into x minus a whole square equals to 0. That implies x equals to 0 and x minus a equals to 0. X minus a equals to 0 means x equals to a are the limit points. We know the y square value and we get the limit values a comma b. A equals to 0, b equals to a. So now I write the formula. So see here, this is the graph of the given loop. This is the loop curve. 2ay square is equal to a x into a minus x square is the our given curve. This is the shape of that curve. Okay, see here, this is the x-axis, this is y-axis. What is this point? 0. And the intersection point, what is that? A. So we find the volume from 0 to a. Here also we get the same limits. What are they? 0 comma a. So see here, 0 comma a. This is the solid generated by the curve revolving about the x-axis. See here. We have to find this shape, volume of this three-dimensional solid shape. Okay, is it clear? See here. Now I write the formula of volume of the solid generated by the curve revolving about the x-axis. Okay, see, v equals to integral a to b pi y square dx. What are the limits we get here? 0 comma a. So I write integral 0 to a pi. What is the y square we have? Y square equals to x into x minus a whole square by 2a. So I write x into x minus a whole square by 2a into dx. Okay. Next. Now I write pi by 2a is the constant. So I write outside and remaining term is 0 integral 0 to a x into x minus a whole square. See, I write same. Pi by 2a integral 0 to a x into x minus a whole square means a minus b whole square formula. What is that? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Similarly, I write x square plus a square minus 2ax. Now I multiply with x. So you get x into x square x cube, x into a square x a square, x into 2ax 2ax square. Now we integrate. Very simple problem here. Okay. Now see what is the integration of x cube? X power 4 by 4. Here a square is the constant. Integration of x is x square by 2. And 2a is the constant. X square integration is x cube by 3. And limits are 0 comma a. First I substitute a in x place. What we get here? A power 4 by 4. A square by 2 into a square minus 2a into a cube by 3. And now substitute 0. So this is also 0. This is also 0. This is also 0. See here. Pi by 2a, a power 4 by 4, a square by 2 into a square minus 2a into a cube by 3 minus 0. See, a power 4 by 4. A square into a square means a power 4 by 2. A into a cube means 2a a power 4 by 3. So, what is the LCM here? For 2, 3, 4 to 3, what is the LCM? 12 is the LCM. Here we have 4. So, I write 3a power 4. Here we have 2. So, I write 6a power 4. Minus here we have denominator 3. So, I write 4 into 2. 8a power 4. 3 plus 6, 9 minus 8 means 1a power 4. So remaining term is a power 4 by 12. Here we have pi by 2a. After a cancel, what we get here? Pi a cube by 2 12 ja 24. This is the volume of the given loop revolving about the x-axis. Okay, is it clear? First I write the y square value from the given equation. Next I substitute y equals to 0 because the given curve revolves about x-axis. On x-axis we know the value of y, that is 0. So I substitute 0, I get the values of limits. What are they? 0 comma a. So I substitute 0 comma a in integral part and y square value, and I write constant outside and I multiply these two terms. I get this equation. After integrating and substituting limit values, what is the value we get? Pi a cube by 24 is our volume of given loop. Okay.